Hello, this is Cameron of United Credit showing one of our trade line postings for this month. We currently have over 400 trade lines posting on a regular basis from 6 months old to about 30 years old. And trade lines are the best way to boost your score fast, bar none. I mean, credit repair is good too. That takes several months, but a trade line can post in 7 to 10 days and have the score increase 100 points very quickly. So, we specialize in trade lines. We're doing it for about 10 years, and we show these proof videos just showing people how they post and the results here. So it's a PNC card here. This is 20,000 limit. Authorized user, revolving. It's about 10 years old. So this is a great trade line. This costs about $4.95. But it does give you a nice boost on your score. For questions, call us 202-213-2218. We do free consulting. We go over your profile and do a free review and let you know whether or not a trade line can help you and whether it may not help you. For example, if you have a lot of negative items like collections, medical bills, bankruptcies, a trade line probably won't help you really, because you have too many negative items. So you want to save your money. But if you have good credit with few accounts, like 1 to 4 accounts, then the trade line really would help you a whole lot. Now, the older the trade line, the better. Don't worry so much about a 2-year 20,000 line, but get more so a 10-year 2,000 line. That would do much better. Older trade lines give a better boost than high limit trade lines. Always keep that in mind. But for more information, call us. Again, we do free consultation, 202-213-2218, or get on our list at tradelines.biz. Tradelines.biz. We put the list out twice a month. Have a great day. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for regular updates on our postings. We try and do video 2 to 3 times a month. Thank you.